So the tent has arrived. I have wanted a Zpacks tent for years. And we got the triplex because Joe and I will be sharing a tent throughout the PCT. So it just made sense to have a little bit of extra room. But yeah, this is so exciting. Okay, let's open it up. It says to not use blades, but I highly doubt these scissors count. Or maybe I should just, I'll just rip it. Oh, that didn't work. So exciting! This is such an enormous bag for it. Wow. So this is going to be our home for 5 or 6 months. So when you put it that way with the price, it's really not that bad, considering how much we pay to live in this flat in London a month. There we have it. That's it. I guess we'll try and put it up somewhere. Maybe I'll go to the park. Can't believe it. There we go. Our Zpacks Triplex. Before we set it up, let me just tell you some of the specs for this tent. This is the Triplex Zip tent from Zpacks. It is a 3-person tent. It has zips compared to the other triplex, which didn't. It had toggles instead. So this offers a bit better rain protection. It weighs only 664 grams, and that is in the standard Dyneema thread count. You can get a higher thread count, which offers a bit more strength. If you want a bit of extra peace of mind, you can get the higher thread count, but we were happy with just the standard. So to set it up, you will need 2 trekking poles and you'll need 8 to 12 tent pegs. The tent pegs are not included, and neither are the trekking poles. So you can choose the tent pegs that you would like to use for it. So the tent cost $799 and the shipping fee to the UK was $44.95. We were shipping the tent to the UK, so when it arrived we had to pay some customs fees. So the breakdown of that is we had to pay £60 for duty, we had to pay £125 for VAT and a £12 admin fee. So we had to pay about £200 extra when it arrived in the UK. And make sure that you factor in the custom charges if you are ordering a Zpacks tent somewhere like the UK or somewhere else in the world. I don't think it's even going to fit here. But it's not working. We will try again to see. Hey lady. Okay, we are in my dad's garden up north, and we're gonna put the tent up here. It's finally stopped raining, and yeah, we'll see if we can actually put this tent up. I think it's 140 centimeters.
They don't go as far as 140, 135.
Oh, maybe it's not 140. That seems big.
That way around?
No. Zpacks Triplex set up. Oh no, not. It wasn't 140. Sorry, around 122 centimeters.
Okay. Damn, alright.
Quite sturdy.
It is quite sturdy. I'm seeing whether it would survive in a storm or not. And I think it will.
It's so big.
Wow. That's amazing. That's great. Jesus Christ.
Like, the corners will go out, it's just that there's nothing in it.
Well, exactly, yeah.
Like,
no, there's not.
but there's so much headroom.
Right. What you do? This is not your tent. Yeah.
Wow. So we've got 2 sleeping pads in here. We've still got all this extra room. And this is my dad's extra wide sleeping pad as well. So
sit up really easily though.
now we have like
That's ridiculous.
so much room. What do we think, Joe?
I love it. I think it's great. I think this scares me a little bit, but
The trekking pole.
yeah, but it seems pretty good.
Yeah.
Like with a normal tent, you're always going to get like flex and stuff.
Yeah.
Aren't you? So it's just different.
I don't think I've ever had a tent with this much headroom though.
No, it's pretty crazy.
Especially for me. Like. Hey, Luce. Even you got in. Can't be that bad.
You want to come in?
Oh, you coming in? There we go. Lie down.
Yeah.
There we go.
What do you think? What do you think?
So plenty of room for 2 people and a dog.
Yeah.
Oh, baby moo. Beautiful morning on the PCT.
You mean Blackpool?
So at the moment we have a wide pad and a standard one, and as you can see there is so much room. If we push these really to the side there would definitely be space for another pad here. So I think it will be good for both of us being in the tent and having space to sort out our gear. We can't quite figure out yet how to kind of lower the storm doors, like if it's in bad weather, and we tried like bringing this part closer, but it's still quite far off the ground, so if anybody knows how we can kind of lower that, that would be very helpful. And Joe's now just enjoying the sunshine, so is Luce. But yeah, it looks really, really good. There's so much headroom. It is more see-through than I think we were expecting. And I think we've maybe not guided it out quite properly, but I think for a first pitch it's not too bad. And there's also these nice pockets inside. And then I think these are for raising the bathtub floor. Yeah, there's another pocket on that side. I think there's some little toggles here, so I suppose if you wanted to hang a washing line or something. But yeah. Are we excited to use the tent?
Very excited.
Yeah. I think it'll be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. There'll be plenty of room. And if it's bad weather, we can play games in here.
Yeah.
Hey.